Can things like environmental influences, toxins, things like that almost age the brain as well? Can they play a factor in that?
They play a huge factor, especially today. We're being exposed to a lot of toxins. And one of the major toxins that's going on is the pesticides or any of these environmental chemicals that we breathe in, we take into our body. And they are toxic to not only our whole body, but also to the brain. And many of these toxins, what they do is they actually reduce some of our own hormones that we produce. And one of these hormones that is very important for brain function is estrogen. And for both male and female, estradiol, which is the major estrogen in the body, and especially important for the brain, that has to be functioning well in order for brain cells and nerve cells to work. And so many times some of these environmental chemicals, they act as estrogens, or what's known as xenoestrogens, and they replace the estrogen that would be going to our brain. So what we have is a lack of estrogen in many cases. Now, women, as they age, of course, they go through menopause, and also men, go through their own male pause. And besides losing estrogen, we also lower testosterone, DHEA, and we have thyroid problems as we get older. Many of us do. And so all of these not only can occur naturally, but many of these environmental chemicals also lower those hormones that our body produces in order for our brains to function. So that is very important. And once again, environmental toxins are something that poison the liver. They poison a lot of different organs. And anytime you're poisoning an organ such as the liver and brain function have a lot to do with each other. So many times these toxins are not removed from the body by the liver and by the kidneys, and they end up crossing the blood-brain barrier and causing the same problems that we have with toxins, yes.